In front of me is OPPO Pad 5, and today I would like to show you how you can set up AppLock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll to tap on AppLock over here and choose Got It in the pop-up. Now, to enable AppLock, use gray switcher right next to it, and then select Settings in the pop-up to create a password you will use to unlock your apps. Hit Use a different password type and pick one of those options for your AppLock. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16, pattern, or alphanumeric. Then create it and repeat it to confirm it. Now, if you wish to, you can link it to your OPPO account. You can also set up recovery email just in case you will forget your AppLock. And last but not least, you have to tap on the question to create security one. If you don't like this one, click on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, don't worry, click on the question, choose Custom Question option at the bottom, and create it. Hit Confirm, and make sure to answer it correctly below. When you finished, select Done. Now finally, to lock your apps, use gray switches next to the chosen ones and go back to check out if it worked. When I open Chrome, for example, I can see that AppLock is now required. If you ever want to disable AppLock from any app, go back to the same section in your settings, tap on AppLock, enter it, and select Locked section. This way you will see only your locked apps, and thanks to tapping on blue switches, you can disable AppLock from them. If you wish to disable AppLock fully on your tablet, use blue switcher right next to it. To access some additional AppLock options, click on those 3 dots at the top right corner and hit Settings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!